Static-free audio connection for the satellite radio, hardwired directly into the vehicle's FM radio behind the dash. Easily switch between satellite radio and regular FM radio with a touch of the satellite radio's power button. Includes everything for most vehicle installations. Antenna adapters may be required and are sold separately. Compatible with all SIRIUS branded dock play and portable radios. Also compatible with XM dock play and portable radios with a PowerConnect Vehicle Kit as well as with the XM SkyDock. Includes FM direct adapter and user guide. Static-free audio connection for your satellite radio, hardwired directly into your vehicle's FM radio behind the dash. Easily switch between satellite radio and regular FM radio with a touch of your satellite radio's power button. Includes everything for most vehicle installations. Compatible with all SIRIUS brand dock play and portable radios. Includes FM direct adapter, user guide. Top reviews from the United States. It works great, once I figured out how it really works. I bought this because I have my SIRIUS hooked up to my motorcycle and I do a lot of riding. I am the type of rider who takes off not knowing where I am going, only when I need to be home. I am constantly in search of that road I have never been down, so I never know where I will end up, and it was a real pain trying to find clear stations that would last for a few hundred miles, let alone the whole day. I thought I would give this a try and installed it before a run to DC, and I was very disappointed it did not work. I have been working with, and hooking up electronics for over 40 years, so I checked and rechecked everything I could think of, and the only thing I could not check was the plug in the cradle that the receiver was in, so I put the bike back together and saved it for another time, when I had more time and a different cradle. Well, that time came about a month later.